Winnie is buying ticket, as you can see over here, dealing hard, I hope so, negotiating, and that's how it looks, the situation in harbor. Mount Agung volcano and boats over here. Check this out. Oh, what's up? We are going to Nusa Penida and Winnie is already super excited. Yes, honey.
I just arrived and then I bought the ticket. So for the local price, 150k return.
And we are lucky like never. We are just arrived, bought ticket, and we are going straight forward. Hello. Be careful, honey, on the what you step and where. The situation on the boat. Situation at the front. And situation and the back of the boat. Grandina over there. So eventually we arrived to Nusa Penida, as you can see, quiet, busy. I could say as is some sort of new normal. I mean back to normal. Everybody tried to sell you something at the beginning, so it's the good sign. Bike, taxi, seva motor. Yeah, business back to normal, yeah? Bike, yeah. So that's good.
Okay, so it's time to negotiating the price.
My name Daddy.
Daddy?
Yeah, Komang Daddy.
Come originally from Nusa Penida, yeah?
Yes, original from here.
So this is how.
3 seconds, yes or no? 150k.
Oh, adik seperti
It's so hot in Nusa Penida, but finally we arrive and I will show you how it looks. The place is very nice, small cozy place. The owners is the Balinese from Nusa Penida, an Australian lady who are living here already for many years. They have a
so
small
they are
place.
mixed couple like us, mix.
Yeah, so the place looks like this. They are small pool and there are only 3 rooms, like 3 bungalows, one here, one there, and this one. And this one is like a master bungalow or something like this. It's like more like a small villa, which is super cool. And it's like some terrace. This is like a living room. Quickly I'm gonna show. Already bought cola, yes I know. And then upstairs is the bedroom. So you are going on the small stairs up here. So it's very nice, cozy place. Really like these types of villas, bungalows. Very nice indeed. Also down there is the bathroom. And we paid for all of this 450,000 rupiah. Yes, honey?
Yes.
Which is also very nice. The lunchtime, we didn't eat anything. I need to have a coffee. I want to show you the very nice place in Nusa Penida, where we can eat and have a coffee and everything, because obviously Nusa Penida is not like in Bali and every corner we have a coffee. It's not like that here. So check this out. That's a nice bike, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah, very nice. And check this out. Very peaceful, cozy environment. I will show you. Sayank is already chilling over there. Yo, what's up, bro?
Hey.
Hello. Very nice indeed. There is the Mount Agung in Bali. Sound of the ocean, beautiful color. And that's how it looks like. Sayang, chilling, copy. Very nice.
Look at the beautiful Mount Agung over there. If you can zoom it, it's very nice.
Where, honey?
There, look.
Are you already? But I will zoom it for you over there. Here we go, the food arrived. Check this
Oh
out.
my goodness, this is my food.
Smash. What do you have, honey? Oh,
I
that's
have a grilled fish with the red rice and salad.
smacznego, honey. Then I have a burger. Oh, what's up, my friend? Golden retriever, so nice. So hot in Penida. Okay, I'm gonna have one more coffee before we're gonna explore a little bit today. Yes, honey, but it's so hot.
Super hot, and we are so happy that we finally in Nusa Penida, as most of you already text us emails and then
Yeah.
saying that when are you coming to Nusa Penida? Now.
It's the time.
Look at the view of Mount Agung with the blue ocean.
So nice.
And coconut.
Very nice. Whew, we arrived to the famous Ceningan beach, as you can see.
So this is famous clinking beach, and there.
Some people are and monkeys and everything. I will show you now around. That's the famous Ceningan beach. Sayang. Wearing today dressnya here. Very nice. Ooh, check this out. So cool because the weather is so nice. And there are monkeys here. Also not so bad. Yo, what's up?
Yeah.
What's going on here?
They are in queue taking picture of the famous spot there.
Oh, see, gitu. You also wanna have? I'm not interested, but I wanna show you the mates how they doing the pictures in this famous spot. Very nice. If you are watching us from longer, I was in Nusa Penida here in November, and I was the only one person here. Can you imagine? So now there are some tourists. So it's kind of optimistic. That means it's more people in Bali and area right now, because in November I was only the one. I will link below also the old video from Nusa Penida. So I wanna show you also, it's over there is the way down from the cliff going to this beach if you're interested. I never been, but I have a friend who was there. Yeah, they said it's nice, but they will never do again. So tired. Here we go. Photo session with in progress, action. And you wanna have a picture? Okay, let's fly drone, yeah? They have a red rare. Okay, take for me one. And I will show you the more of the top of the cliff now is transformed into so many concrete structures. I don't know what to say. Kind of lounges, bars, restaurants, warungs, selfie spots. Just to show this lovely place, which is fully understandable, but previously was just the monkeys here and the trees. So I don't know. Comment below, what do you think? It's nice as they built like this, or you prefer just the nature? Because now I just saw 2 monkeys. 5 years ago, at least dozens. It's so hot. We have a radler, orange water, honey. Cheers. And I will fly drone right now.
You ain't got enough of this fever, I know, I know. Nothing would remain and you don't wanna go, so go. Cause you're picking your pace, no time to waste. I wanna love you but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again. Again and again and again and again. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you at the.
Alright, so I remember that a few years ago when I was here, it's nothing here. I mean, like no warungs and
I remember also.
yeah,
That
but
was not so long ago.
nowadays, yeah, restaurant, warungs.
So many warungs, restaurants,
Let's
stuff
go.
like this.
So we are going to, I don't know, what is it, the place, the road. Oops!
But no, the environment feels very
Yeah,
nice. It's
so
like a middle of
nice.
jungle.
Nusa Penida a long time ago. Bumpy road like this. But now again we are going to a place with a bumpy road. So we are somewhere. And this is the road. Somewhere in Nusa Penida.
All right, so we arrived to
Finally we
the.
arrived. Oh my goodness.
Winnie got scared on the road. I'm telling you.
Let's go. This is the place.
Check this out. Nice place. Road was bad, but leadings usually bad road leadings to the beautiful destinations. First walk impression. We will see. Ooh, looks not so bad. That's the restaurant. Pool, ocean view, sunset, waiters, bar. Not so bad place. We will see. Check this out. Looking good. Pool, Nusa Penida Bay. I think this is the Nusa Lembongan island.
Yes, Ceningan.
Ceningan.
Yes.
Oh, nice, cool. How are you today? All good, yeah?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Very good, thank you. Nice. Check this out, doggo. Yo, what's up, brother? Chilling. Not so bad place for chilling. I think I will sleep like you soon, in just 5 minutes. Sorry, excuse me. I have a question. What is this tower?
There is tree house.
Tree house?
Yes.
Can I get up?
Yes, of course.
Okay, thank you. This beautiful lady behind me is very nice place, and beautiful lady, waiters very nice, ambience very nice. Staff working here. She let me go up here to show you guys around. By the way, I got already sunburn here. I think that's always in Nusa Penida. This is the Nusa Ceningan island, and will be beautiful sunset. So, going to the tree house. It's quite high. Actually, you could sit here, and the lady offered us to sit here, and it's actually not so bad over here. Check this out. I don't know how to open it. Doesn't matter. I just want to show you how it looks. Beautiful sunset, and this is the Nusa Ceningan island. Somewhere there is Nusa Lembongan, and over there, not sure if you can see. I will zoom maybe. This one is Uluwatu and GWK Garuda Wisnukręciana statue. Can you see that? Beautiful weather. Check this out. This is the beautiful sunset. Sayang chilling in the pool. So cool. Really beautiful place. So that's how it looks. The super cool trees. Sayang this is the bamboo construction of the restaurant. Very nice, and it's golden hour, so it's perfect time to make some snap. Also, as you can see, beautiful pool and the flowers and the view of the islands, even Bali, and sunset. So amazing. Check this out. So beautiful. Look at the color of the sky. Sayang. This houses at night, so cool. And in general, ambience. Okay, see you next time. Okay, so that was the hot day in Nusa Penida.
Yeah. So I think that's all our video today, guys. Look at this
Beautiful sunset.
behind us. So that island is Nusa Ceningan. Actually.
I also fly drone over there, so I hope so you have some point of view how it looks, the situation, how it looks, everything from the sky over here. So beautiful. And see you tomorrow.
I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya, take care.
California, and down